Hey everyone, want to create your first PowerShell script? PowerShell scripts let you automate repetitive tasks, manage windows, and perform complex operations with just a few commands. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to create a PowerShell script from scratch on Windows. So let's get started. First, choose a text editor for writing your script. Yeah, you can use Visual Studio Code, Notepad, or Windows PowerShell ESE if it's available on your system. Visual Studio Code is recommended because it offers syntax highlighting and PowerShell extensions. Now type a few simple PowerShell commands. Here's a basic script that displays a message and shows today's date. Write host hello world, get date next, save the file with the PS1 extension. PowerShell recognizes files ending in PS1 as script files. Open PowerShell 7 from the Start menu and navigate to the folder where your script is stored. cd home/desktop. To execute your script, type a dot, a backslash, and the script file name. My first script, PS. Yeah, your commands will run in order, and you'll see the results immediately in the PowerShell window. As you learn more PowerShell, you can add variables, loops, conditions, functions, and modules to make your scripts even more powerful. PowerShell is designed to scale from simple automation to advanced system administration. And that's how to create a PowerShell script on Windows. Once you've mastered the basics, you'll be able to automate repetitive tasks, manage your computer more efficiently, and build increasingly powerful scripts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.